Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install Credit Sesame app on your device. It is a free credit score management app which helps you access, understand and protect your credit all in one place. So to download it, make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, search for Credit Sesame. As a result, you can see the application here, Credit Sesame Build Credit. Click on the application and over here click on the install button to install it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet speed. As you can see, the application has been downloaded. Click on the open button to open it and enjoy its features. The app is ready to use. You can either log in or sign in and enjoy the features of this application. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.